Hey, we're back in Crosby, and if you've been watching what's happening out here, this won't surprise you. Crosby is officially ranked the number 3 hottest community in the Houston area for quarter 4 of 2025. And today, we're in another new neighborhood, which is what's driving all this, which is Newport Grove. It's one of the newest neighborhoods bringing Taylor Morrison homes into this part of the town. So let's walk it. First, kind of the big picture. Newport Grove is a brand new construction community in Crosby, tucked into an area that still feels open yet laid back, but it's growing fast and in a smart way. Again, these brand new homes are currently starting under $300K. You heard that right, which is crazy in 2026. So what are you getting? Well, brand new homes, 3 to 5 bedroom models. The square footage range is 1470 to 2897. 2-car garages. They are on 50-foot wide lots. They're nice modern floor plans. They're open. They're really nice. Energy efficiency construction and access to Crosby ISD, which is the Newport Elementary, Crosby Middle, and Crosby High. And all of these schools are very, very close. The furthest one away is 3.57 miles away. So everything is in a very close proximity. You also have a lot of retail that's coming, including, my understanding, is a brand new H-E-B that's coming. And you can also enjoy, concert at Lake Houston Brewery. If you're looking for golf, head on over to Stonebridge at Newport Golf Course. They've got extreme off-road park and beach and the Crosby Sports Complex and more. So there's a lot that's out there now, and I guarantee you there's a lot that's going to be coming. So what's going on within the neighborhood amenities? Well, they're going to have some parks. They'll have a playscape. They'll have the National Wildlife Federation certified butterfly garden. They'll have a pavilion, green belts, and trails. So if you've looked at pricing across Houston lately, you already know why buyers are paying a lot more attention out here. There's more space, less congestion than, inner loop or west side suburbs. And that combination, man, it is hard to beat. So let's talk why Taylor Morrison Homes. Well, since their acquisition of Morrison Homes, Taylor Morrison Homes have been building since 1984. And boy, they built a reputation of, really thoughtful floor plans, not necessarily flashy for the sake of being flashy. They're functional. And we're touring 2 of their model homes today, a 1-story and a 2-story. So the 1-story model, this is a very clean and open floor plan. It's got a great entry, a lot of natural light from tons of windows that are in this thing. The kitchen is a really open floor plan. It's got a lot of nice cabinet space and counter space, and it flows really well into kind of the dining area and also into the family room, so you don't feel cramped and you can entertain really easily in this plan. What I also like is the separation with the bedroom. So you've got bedrooms up front and the primary bedroom is in the back. It's kind of tucked away from all the secondary bedrooms, which makes it kind of sound small, but trust me, if you're got kids or guests, that privacy matters more than people realize. The kitchen island is oversized. I mean, it's got some really great actual prep space. It's not decorative space. It's useful. And the pantry is definitely much deeper and a great size than I think you'd expect from this price point. And I think buyers are going to underestimate the storage until they check this model of home out. So let's check out the video on the 1-story and we'll see what you think. Wow, I hope you saw what I saw in the one story. Beautiful home, really family friendly, a lot of easy ways to be able to entertain. So let's check out the two story. I think you will be incredibly impressed with what it has in it. Wow, what'd you think about that two-story? I thought it was incredible. I thought it was beautiful and very functional. So if you're even thinking about new construction in Crosby, don't just show up at a model home alone. There are builder incentives, lot premiums, structural upgrades, timeline decisions, and those conversations matter before you sign anything. We walk these communities all the time. We know what's being offered and we know what's negotiable. And we know what most buyers miss the first time through. So if Newport Grove is on your radar, let's talk before you visit. We'll send you current pricing, available lots, builder incentives, and what's actually worth upgrading. And then you can decide if this one fits your move. That's it. Look forward to talking to you soon.